Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chandrasekhar signing in from the Trade Empire. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about post-market analysis of Bank Nifty, also the trades which I have taken and also the trades which I have updated in my premium Telegram group for educational purpose. The first trade which I have taken around 9:50 a.m. So the reason for taking this trade is Bank Nifty has created support at this particular point and it started moving towards a resistance. So here lies a resistance of Bank Nifty. So based on this, I updated this trade. So on this particular exactly at the resistance level, it has formed one bullish candle with a strong close. So based on this, I updated my first trade. But unfortunately, here lies a extended resistance. It hit extended resistance and I give a hint Bank Nifty would be ranging. So thought it would hit my stop loss since my stop loss was very much minimum. Here was my stop loss. When the strike hit 300, I exited due to the volatility. My order get executed at 295. Here I lost around nearly around 15 points, which for four lots. The loss was around 1,800 rupees on this particular trade. Again at 1020. So here, based on the close of this candle, I updated one more trade. It was just like a small scalping. My first target was this support line. My second target was somewhere around here, the next extended support. This is my second target. My third target would be this. I would be trailing. So based on this, I updated to buy 39,300 PE at 1020. So my entry price was around above 387. So which went nearly 30 points up, but after that it started going reversal. So I booked 15 points in this trade and with the two lots, and other two lots I kept holding, keeping stop loss cost to cost. But this trade gave me 15 points for two lots only. So after that it didn't made a good rally. So again I waited. Strong bearish candle has formed. So the reason for taking this trade is Bank Nifty has rallied from resistance to support and it has retraced a bit. So again it formed a candlesticks pattern, which is a trend continuation pattern. So based on this, I updated one more trade. So again the entry price was around about 370 with the same strike, which is 39,300 PE. So based on this, I updated in my premium group also I took this trade. The target for this trade is also same as previous trade. So it came till near here. So in this trade, I could able to book 20 points with two lots, and another two lots exited at cost to cost. So here in this trade, I made somewhere around 1,000 rupees. Actually on this trade, I was waiting for a breakout. If the trend was very much strong, it would have break out this support and it would have come here or here. So I would have made some money, but it didn't happen as I expected. So I had a better risk management strategy. So based on this, I didn't incur any loss. I booked minimum profit and exited with all the three trades. I exited till now. After that, around 11:25 a.m. So based on this pattern, I updated one more trade to buy 39,600 CE about 230. This is a trade which I couldn't able to execute because Zerodha didn't let me to execute this order due to the open interest restriction. So I lost nearly around 60 points in this trade. It went from 230 to 290. If you are trading in some other broker apart from Zerodha, you have made money in this trade if you are in my premium group. So this trade I really missed 60 points. Again, I waited till 115. So today the market was very much ranging. The trades which I took all were just like scalping. So it was very much hard to pick those trades. In the ranging market, trading is very much difficult. And at this particular point, the time was around 115, I think. Let me look at the candle of 115. This is the candle. So the reason for taking this trade is at this particular point the price was trading at exactly near the resistance. So based on this, I updated to buy 39,600 C at 115. So the trade really went well. It gave me more than 100 points profit on this particular trade. So the reason for taking this trade is pretty simple. The price started to trade near to the resistance zone. So since market hasn't rallied from morning, so it was a very much confirmation, it was a sure shot for me, so it would give a breakout on C side. So I took this trade. It went really good, it went more than 100 points. Let's look at the chart of 39,600 CE. So here, based on this candlesticks, yes, based on this pattern, I updated this trade. So my stop loss somewhere around here. So the trade really went well. It went till 430, I think. So yes, 422, somewhere around 390. I exited this order. Again, I didn't try to take, because this I already captured 100 points. I was not in a mood to take more trades. So it was a good day for me. Although it made me wait very much long to capture a rally, it was a very much good day. Almost I executed around 4 orders out of, actually I picked 5 trades, out of which one hit, one exited with minimum loss. Rest 3 gave profits. One I couldn't able to execute due to restrictions in Zerodha. If I would have traded other than Zerodha, I could have made another 4 to 5,000 in that trade, but I couldn't able to do so. So hope these videos are helping you to learn many things. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon for notification alerts. Thanks for watching.